Israel's defense minister has said it will expand its so-called security zone in Gaza to include the southern city of Rafah. During a visit to the area, Israel said that the military was leaving Gaza smaller and more isolated to the pressure of the Hamas into releasing the hostages it is still holding. Also, the military has already seized land running along the entirety of the Palestinian territory borders, which it has characterized as the buffer zone to the preventing of the attacks. Also, the expansion to cover Rafah and its surrounding areas, which make up almost 1/5 of the Gaza, comes after the military ordered civilians to evacuate and establish a new corridor separating them from the nearby Khan Yunis. 2/3 of Gaza has been designated as a no-go zones or placed under evacuation orders since Israel resumed its offensive against Hamas on the 18th of March following the collapse of a 2-month ceasefire, according to the United Nations. It says 390,000 Palestinians, almost a fifth of the 2.1 million population, have been displaced once again with no safe place to go. The United Nations is also warning that supplies of food, medicine and fuel have run out because Israel blocked deliveries of the humanitarian aid to Gaza since 2 March. Also, the IDF, that is Israel Defense Forces, launched a ground offensive in the Rafah, home to about 280,000 people, before the war last May, leaving large parts of the city in ruins. It also seized a strategically important strip of land running along the nearby border with Egypt known as the Philadelphia Corridor, which is said was necessary to prevent the weapons being smuggled to the Gaza and the Hamas rearming. Also, during the ceasefire that began in the January, about 1 lakh residents returned to what was left of their homes in the city after the troops pulled back to border areas. We'll have to see how the issues gets resolved. Stay with us.